Picture Earth as a giant jigsaw puzzle that slowly moves, not fast, more like fingernails growing. But what's pushing the pieces? Heat. Deep below me, the inner core is scorching, over 5,000 degrees Celsius. That heat is leftover energy from Earth's formation. Heat from reactions in the rocks, all squeezed under insane pressure. It seeps into the mantle, the thick, ultra-slow fluid layer around the core. When parts of the mantle heat up, they expand. They become less dense. They rise. As they near the cooler crust, they lose heat. They get denser and sink. That loop is a convection current. It's the planet's invisible conveyor belt, creeping along millimeters to centimeters per year, dragging tectonic plates on top. Look at a world map, and the continents seem like puzzle pieces that could click together. Scientists noticed that too. South America, Africa for example, match strikingly well. That's a clue the continents were once joined in a supercontinent, and then drifted apart as mantle convection tugged the plates. Fossils back this up. Mesosaurus, an ancient crocodile-like reptile, shows up in both South America and Africa, in rocks that align in that jigsaw. It wasn't swimming 5,000 kilometers across the Atlantic. And Glossopteris, a seed fern about 300 million years old, appears in Antarctica, India, Australia, Africa, South America. Same plants, once connected lands. There's even magnetic proof. Earth's magnetic field has flipped almost 200 times in the last 100 million years. When lava at mid-ocean ridges cools, tiny magnetic crystals freeze, pointing toward the current magnetic north. Move away from the ridge, and you find stripes of rock with opposite alignment. Older bands from past flips. That pattern shows the seafloor spreading outward, pushing continents apart. And where plates meet, that's where Earth gets loud. More earthquakes, more volcanoes. The jigsaw is moving, one slow click at a time.
What are nebulae made of? What is the singular of nebulae? Which gas is mostly found in nebulae? Which gas is found in smaller amounts? How are particles spaced in nebulae? A nebula Earth-sized would mass about? How big are many nebulae? Some nebulae form when giant stars. Which nebula is easy to see north? Which nebula is easy to see south?